I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a billing problem on the Xbox app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the Xbox app. Launch the Xbox app on your device. Make sure you are logged in with the account that has the billing issue. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Payment and Billing. In the Settings menu, find and click on Payment and Billing. This section will show you your current payment methods and billing history. Step 4. Review payment methods. Check your payment methods for any expired cards or issues. If you see a problem, update your payment information or remove the old card. Note, if you have a card that expired in 2023, it may cause issues with your subscription renewal. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after updating your payment methods, reach out to Xbox support. You can do this through the app or their website for further assistance. I hope these steps help you resolve your billing issue quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.